Thikũ 38 thutha wa Ahuraniri aria ihoto cia umundu nio Bob Njagi na Nicholas OYOO kunyitwo migwate bũrũri-inĩ wa Uganda. Riu aya erĩ marekereirio rucini rwa gukia umuthi makiumagario ni barothi wa Kenya bũrũri-inĩ wa Uganda Joash Mangi nginyagia muhaka-inĩ wa Kenya na Uganda mwena wa Busia. Thutha-inĩ aya erĩ marorio nginyagia kĩharo-inĩ kĩa ndege gĩa Gĩthumo kuria mumagaririo ni Ahuraniri ihoto cia umundu.
If you see your fellow comrades who are in pain, it behoves us to be able to stand up and speak for them and defend and support.
We are happy that our comrades are here and we really appreciate that we've found them alive. This has not been the case in a lot of cases.
Kuria nakuo gikundi kingi kia Ahuraniri ihoto cia umundu kiunganire kiharo-ini kia ndege kia JKIA gweterera aya eri gikimamukira na kumatogeria ta njamba cia kuhuranira ihoto cia umundu. Riu makiuga mabũrũri ma gĩtaro kia Afrika irathiro makirie kurika wathani-inĩ wa kuigioterwo makiria gwakinya ni ihinda ria githurano.
When one of us is in trouble, we have to speak out, we have to shout, because if we allow it to continue happening, tomorrow they will come for us and there will be no one to speak for us. So we are asking on everyone in Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania and the entire Africa, this is the time to stand united as one people.
38 days of abduction was not easy. We didn't think we were going to come out alive because we were being abducted by the military. We have been kept by the military in Uganda for this, under the Special Forces Command.
Ahuraniri aya macakaya gwikururia kwa mutaratara wa gucokio kwa runao guku bũrũri-inĩ kuria matogeretie president wa hau kabere Uhuru Kenyatta bwana ITEMI yake inene mutaratara-inĩ wa kumacokia guku bũrũri-inĩ. Mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa Amnesty International guku bũrũri-inĩ Irungu Hilton agĩkĩra ndeto ĩno mũkonde.
There were a lot of complex negotiations that took place. One of them involved the former president of the Republic of Kenya, the fourth president, and that is Uhuru Kenyatta. And it is out of the negotiations and the discussions that took place at the very highest levels of the two governments, plus the former president, that we have had the two, Bob Njagi and Nick OYOO, return to Kenya in the way that they are. We would just like to say that we believe that that was also a product of the pressure of ordinary people, of human rights defenders, of journalists, of civil society.
Itemi ria President Uhuru rikoneka gukorwo rikioya ithenya ria thirikari iria ikoretwo igiukirirwo mahinda kwa mahinda ikioneka kwaga kuoya makinya makinyaniru ma kugitira Kenya taya aria manyitwo migwate mabũrũri-inĩ maria turigainie. Omwaka-inĩ wa ateteri angi ihoto cia umundu magĩikio ngono mari bũrũri-inĩ wa Tanzania kuria ono matungirio MINYAMARIKO.
Nishukuru sana wanahabari, nishukuru sana wanaharakati wenzangu, nishukuru sana Vocal Africa, nishukuru sana Amnesty International, pia nishukuru rais mstaafu kwa kuwa haya bila intervention ya Wakenya wengi hatungeweza.
My other son Norbert has talked and I don't have much to say. I want to thank everybody who has been helping us throughout. It has been a difficult time, but God is in control and we also thank God so much.
Ona gutuika aya eri matinetikira kuheana ndeto na urikiru wa maria maratungirio one matariirie ati ni marahingiritwo kambiini ya MBIRARU bũrũri-inĩ wa Uganda kuria maratungirio MINYAMARIKO eria maritariria andiki a mohoro marika kuhoreria meciria.
We are going to release more details to you in a short while after we get some medical attention. We've not been eating for about 14 days myself. I've been fasting. It's been very difficult.
We are traumatized, but we are happy to be home. I'm happy to be here. There are things I might have taken for granted. Today I may not take them for granted. And I believe that this is a moment and all these moments are taking us forward.
Harunya Kameme TV retora koni Bataro wa Mwagi.